ShipNerd's import CSV functionality. If you have your customer list in CSV format, you can easily import it into ShipNerd using this little button right over here. Rather than manually creating label after label after label, using the import CSV will take all your data in an Excel file or CSV file, import it into ShipNerd, and then allow you to create labels for the entire file at once. So just to show you, to get more information about the CSV file, just go to our FAQ, type in CSV, and you'll find a very detailed article that'll tell you how to set up your CSV file. You'll also be able to download a copy of that file just to look at the header format in terms of how to set up the file. So assuming you've set up your file, here's literally all you need to do. Go to the My Shipments page within ShipNerd, click on Import CSV, and what I've done is I've actually created a sample file that's got 100 rows of data, 100 customers. Select the file, process it, and what you'll see is you'll see the data from the file. So it's kind of cool because you'll be able to see the data in organized format, ship from address, ship to. Here's all the data in the file. You'll also be able to see what type of packaging was used. So for example, if it's an envelope or if you use your own packaging, if you had dimensions listed, you'd see the dimensions here. I had no dimensions. I just put envelopes, so there are no dimensions, but had I put packages and entered dimensions, it'll all be listed here as well. You can also search for respective customers. So if you had a customer that you wanted to check if they were on the list, put their name in, it's a smart search, it'll find it. Now at this point, once the data is in this format, you can do one of two things. You can either create labels, which if you click on that, if I was to select fast right now, I would literally be creating 100 labels in one shot. So as I said, rather than manually creating label after label after label, import the data, select the shipping speed, and create your labels in bulk. Simple as that. The other thing you can do is, assuming I didn't want to create the labels right now, is if I just go to the My Shipments page, I'll see all my data right over here. So what I can do is I could easily select a specific order or a range of orders that I want to ship. We'll get into how to create labels in this format in a different video, but for now, that is how to import a CSV into ShipNerd.